In front of me is Realme X50 Pro 5G, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on this device. So first of all, you have to open the phone dialer, go to your keypad, and let's start with the shortest code, which is *##, 06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you with device information such as email or serial number. Tap on OK to go back, and that would be all for this first code. So smoothly enter this short 5-digit long code and then be provided with necessary details regarding your Realme X50 Pro. Now we will open Fcm Diagnostics. To do it, you have to enter *##, *426, #*#. And here we are in diagnostic mode. You've got events and status here. And if you would like to activate advanced view, just tap on more and select advanced view. And here it is. So let me go back. And now let's open the calendar info. To do it, you have to enter *##, *225, #*#. And here we've got the calendar info, where you can locate all dates, celebrations, birthdays that are included in your Google Calendar. And from now on, you will not forget about any important event, because all you have to do is to enter this code, and then you will be provided with the whole calendar details. And now we can open software info. To do it, you just have to enter *##, 6776 #. And here you've got all the software version information, like model, Android version, baseband version, kernel version, master date, and so on. Just take a look and read those details that you need to check. And another code is engineering mode, and just enter *888#. And now you can smoothly scan QR code with another device, and then you'll be provided with the whole details. And the last code that we can use will redirect that to feedback menu. Just enter *800#. And as you can see here, you are in factory model. OK. And activate developer mode or user mode as only you want to. And here you can detect some issues with your device and then send the feedback. So if you'd like to check Wi-Fi, you can do it here. You can also record screen to send the description. And this is it. You've got also suggestions here, issues. You can then report some issue that you have with your device. And actually that would be all for today. These are all the codes that I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.